Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and talk about what exactly is a P0024 trouble code. Now, we're going to talk about the causes, solutions, and much more, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, first and foremost on the agenda, we have the introduction, symptoms, and then common causes, cost of repairs, and solutions to fix the P0024 code. Now, the introduction to the P0024 code. What this code actually means is it indicates an issue with the B camshaft position timing being over advanced or experiencing performance problems specifically with bang 2 of the engine, which can significantly impact the engine's overall performance and efficiency, leading to symptoms such as rough running, decreased power output, and poor fuel economy, making it crucial for vehicle owners and technicians to understand this code in order to effectively diagnose and resolve the underlying issues that could be affecting vehicle operation. Now, what exactly are the symptoms of the P0024 code? Now, you will have a check engine light illuminated on your cluster. Your engine's going to start running pretty rough. So if you notice any symptoms of shaking or much more, and the vehicle is just in a rough running state, that is a symptom of this code. You'll also get poor fuel economy. So if you're making more trips to the gas station more frequently than usual, then your fuel consumption has increased. Reduce engine power, so you're blipping the accelerator pedal. You don't have the power that you once had. That is the reduced power engine. Moving on, we have the common causes of this code. Number one is going to be the faulty camshaft position sensor. So this can be, incorrect timing data being sent to the ECM. It'll cause the code if you have a faulty camshaft position sensor. Number two is the advanced camshaft timing. So if the engine has a disruption of performance and fuel efficiency, it'll actually blip the code. Number three is just wiring issues or poor electrical connections. So just be aware of those frayed or damaged corroded wires. That could also be a culprit of this. Contaminated engine oil or low oil pressures. So if you have water in your oil, or in general your oil is just really messed up and it looks milky or whatever, that could also be a common cause of this code. Now, functioning ECM is pretty rare. However, it's never zero. So if you're not getting codes, your PC or your OBD2 scanner is not reading anything, it could be a chance that your ECM is actually fried and messed up. What exactly are the cost repairs? So for the camshaft position sensor, you're looking between 100 and 250, depending on labor and parts. Wiring repairs, you're looking between $50 and $200, depending on the accessibility of the wires and much more. And yeah, so number three, camshaft timing adjustments. So $150 to $300. You're gonna have to encompass both parts and labor to ensure proper alignment and functionality. Engine oil and filter change, this is just flushing out the fluids, but you're looking between $30 and $100, which is it's pretty accurate depending on what state you're in. ECM replacement, like I mentioned, it's rare that these go out, but it's never zero, so $800 to $1,500, depending on the price of the ECM and labor involved, just properly replacing and plugging it in. What exactly can you do and the solutions to take to fix this code? So inspecting the wiring, all right, just look for corrosion and corroded wiring, frayed wiring, replace as needed, and then test the camshaft position sensor. So you can use a multimeter to test the camshaft position for proper voltage and signal. Also adjust the timing, so check the camshaft timing alignment according to service manual, make sure that is adjusted to its necessary specification, and then change oil and filter. Like I mentioned, you're going to want to drain out all those contaminated oils, make sure that your viscosity of the oil is perfect. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you fix P0024 code. Hopefully you found this video helpful regarding all the causes and issues. Go ahead and check out our catalog on the OBD Mastery channel, where we talk about more P0 codes if you're interested in that. But anyways, I'll see you all for the next one.